Chairperson of the National Commission for Women, Rekha Sharma, acknowledged the challenges faced by the single mothers of fatherless mothers. She clarified that while the Commission intervenes to assist such women upon request, it cannot initiate any action without their consent. She highlighted collaboration with NALSA to educate women on rights across district. Sharma announced the launch of her legal app guide and a helpline to provide accessible support nationwide.
As we all know, that the National Legal Service Authority to make them aware of their legal rights. That is an ongoing program from last 4 years we are doing. We are reaching to every woman now. This year we have started reaching to the districts. So you can go to that app, her legal guide. You can also download and tell your audience also they can download that her legal guide and see all their legal rights on that.